Steam cleaning machine. Machine inspection. Check the cable and plug of the machine. Open the machine's water tank lid and check if it is clean. Switch on the machine and check the main switch and the steam switch. Also check if the machine is working properly. Switch off the machine and wind the cable of the machine. Finally, enter the details and sign in the machine register. Other requirements for using steam cleaning machine are 1 bucket filled with water, a mug, and a caution board. Personal protective equipment to be worn while using steam cleaning machine are protective goggles, dust control mask, rubber hand gloves, and gumboots. Process of operating steam cleaning machine. Take all the equipment and material required for cleaning to the cleaning spot and keep this in a place that will not cause disturbance to anyone. Pour water into the tank with the help of a filter. Switch on the machine and the steam production switch. Remember, you must not use the machine till the yellow needle moves to the green area. After the needle moves to the green area, fix the corner cleaning nozzle to the hose as shown in the video. After the steam starts coming out from the nozzle, start cleaning. Clean all the corners and gaps between the tiles. If the surface is still dirty, fix the brush to the hose and clean. To clean a smooth surface, fix a cloth over the brush that is used for cleaning the tiles. This avoids any damage to the smooth tiles. After cleaning the walls, fix the corner cleaning nozzle again and clean the corners of the floor and the gap between the tiles. If the floor is still dirty, fix the brush to the hose and start cleaning. If the floor is rough, you can use the floor cleaning brush. If the floor is smooth, fix a cloth to the brush and clean. After the cleaning is over, switch off the machine. After the cleaning process is over, take the machine to the machine room. Spray the cleaning solution to the checked cloth and wipe all parts of the machine. Clean the table of the machine. Remember to clean the cable plug only with a dry cloth. Wind the cable of the machine and replace the machine in its place. Wipe all the accessories off the machine with the checked cloth, which has cleaning solution sprayed on it, and place them in their assigned place. Finally, sign in the machine register.